Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a Python automation project to start up and run a Windows application. So first of all, make sure you import date time on here. I think you might have to install this module through pip, though I'm not quite sure, and import subprocess as well. Right, we're going to create a function called schedule program, and we're going to create a variable here called program, and we're going to assign it to input so we can get some user input. We're going to tell the user to enter a program. It's going to be a Windows program, something like notepad.exe, something like that. Okay, and then we're going to create another variable called start, and we're going to assign that to input as well. And we're just going to tell the user what we want them to do. Start time. Okay, so we want them to enter a start time in. We want them to enter it into a format like year, month, day, and then hour, minute, and second. There, that's what we want them to do. Want them to enter it in that format. Now we're going to create an error handler. Start off with try, just in case something goes wrong. I'm going to create a variable called wait. We're going to assign that to date time dot str. That's going to be strp time there. Then we're going to do start, and then we're going to do the time format again. So this is going to be y, month, day. We're going to have hour, month, and second in there. Okay, I'm just going to take this down a little bit so I can fit it in. Okay, right, then that's going to be minus the date time dot now. And that's going to be dot total seconds. Okay, let me just review this line. Okay, so we've got the year, month, day, hour. Okay, it's whoops, slight mistake there. Okay, minus date time dot now, total seconds. Okay, it looks good to go. Then we're going to use the subprocess. Run to run the program, and then we're just going to simply type in program here, which will be the program we typed in above, and then we're going to finish off the exception handler, the error handler here. Set exception as E. Wrong there. Then if we have an error, we can just print it out. Simply interpolate it there. Occurred. Okay. And looking good to go at the moment. Hopefully I've not made any typos. So to call the program, just say schedule program. So we'll kind of call the program. Okay guys, before we go on, I forgot to put the pause on it here, so let's do this. So this is going to be time.sleep. Give it a maximum here. Got 0 and wait. Okay, not 9, it should be 0 that. 0 and wait. Then we've got sub-process, so that's looking okay. So let's run the program. Okay, enter program, notepad.exe, hit enter. Okay, so the start time we're going to do 2024. This is the format that you have to put it in, and the month is the 10th, and the day is the 09. Then we have the time, so time at the moment 07. Then it's going to be, I want to run it for 37 here, and the second 00. So that's the time that I want to run it for. Hit enter, and we'll have to wait, but I'll speed it up for you. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.